Hello everyone, welcome back. And guys, if your car, when you are driving it on a straight road, and if your steering wheel is also straight, but the car is not going straight, the car is moving slightly on the left or slightly on the right side, and because of which you have to keep the steering slightly tilted on one side so that your car will go straight. If that is the problem that you are facing with your car, then in this video I am going to give you some tips to troubleshoot it at home by yourself, so that if the problem is a minor problem, then you can fix it by yourself. If it is a major problem, guys, then you might have to take your car to a wheel alignment shop, because you don't have the machinery to do the wheel alignment by yourself. So you will have to take your car to an alignment shop and do the alignment done. But if it is a minor issue, then how to troubleshoot it, that I will show you in this video. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So when you are sitting in your car and when you are driving it on a straight road, and to go straight, if you have to keep your steering sideways like this, because if you keep your steering straight, then your car doesn't go straight, it either goes on the left or on the right. Now why this can happen, those few things I will tell you in this video. So the first thing that you will have to do if that happens is you will have to check the tire pressure on all your tires. If the air pressure inside of your tire is less on one side, then what happens is the tire diameter becomes smaller, and that is the reason why your car starts to pull on one side. So if on your left side tire the air pressure is less, then the car will start to pull on the left side and it will go on the left side. So the first thing that we'll have to do is you will have to top up the air pressure in all your tires. Especially the front two tires should have the same air pressure. So guys, if you corrected the tire pressure on all your tires, for example, you kept all your tires on 33 psi now, so the air pressure in all the tires is the same now, but still if your car is moving on one side, then guys, now you will have to raise your vehicle on a jack. So I will raise the vehicle on the jack on this side first. You will have to take the car up so much that your tire should start to turn freely. Now as you guys can see here, my tire is no longer touching the floor. You can see the gap underneath the tire. Like this, your tire should not touch the floor. So once you take the tire up so much, you'll have to turn the tire like this and check if your tire is rotating freely. If your tire is not rotating freely and it is rotating as if brakes are applied, what that means is the one side brake is jammed, and that is the reason why your car is pulling on one side. Then you will have to go on the other side, and on that side also you will have to lift the car on the jack. And now you will have to check the tire on this side if it is rotating freely. Now when the car is lifted up, you will have to hold the tire like how I am holding here, up and down or on both the sides, and you will have to wiggle it a little bit and check if there is a play in the bearing. This you will have to do on both the sides, guys. If there is a play, then you will have to turn the tire on one side like this, and once you rotate the tire on one side, you will have to come on the back side of the tire and check all the connections here. Check if there is any oil leakage here. If there is any play in the joints, you will have to also check your strut here, if there is a play in the strut as well. If there is a play, then that can be one reason that your car is pulling on one side. If you didn't find any play down there, then you will have to come in your hood, open your hood and check your strut mounts. Just move the strut mounts like this and check if there is a play, because if the bushing is worn out, then your strut will start to move, and because of which your car can pull on one side. Now if you didn't find any fault anywhere, then you will have to rotate the tire like this and see if there is any fault in your tire. If your tire is up and down, then you will have to check it by touching it like this. Now how will you check if your tire is faulty? So to check how your tire is faulty, you will have to take the tire out, put it on the other side, and that tire you will have to get it this side and put it right here. And once you do that, you will have to take the test drive again and check now which side your car is pulling. Now if your car is pulling on the other side, what I mean by that is before it was pulling this side and now it is pulling on the other side when you change the tire, what that means is your tire is faulty, because your doubt is now slightly clear that that tire can be faulty. So now you will have to put that tire on the rear side, and the rear tire you will have to put it in the front where the faulty tire was, and now you will have to take a test drive again. Now when you take the test drive, if your car is moving straight and your steering also is straight and you are also on a straight road, then your problem is fixed. You only have to replace that faulty tire or keep it on the back. But I will recommend to replace that tire, because that tire can ruin your entire ride quality. Now guys, to do all this troubleshooting by yourself, it's always better that you have an impact wrench like this, so that you can take all the tire out very easily. Otherwise you will have tough time taking all the tires out. So do a small setup at home, set up a compressor and set up an impact wrench. When you have an impact wrench with you, work becomes very easy and light, and you don't have to use too much of your physical strength. And the last scenario guys, after changing the tires and all that stuff, still if your car is pulling on the left side only, then guys it is always better to take your car to an alignment shop, tell them your problem, and they will fix it for you. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you, and I'm hoping that you have learned a lot in this video. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.